Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? I hope all of you in a good health. Before we start our topic, I have a question. We often see people acting, right? Maybe in film, television, or in a live performance. But do you know the process behind it all? Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Andika Suci Arimi Manawati, and in this moment, I would like to tell you about the early exposure of acting. Okay, I have a three-topic outline. The first is acting introduction, the second is stage of acting, and the third is artistic. First of all, before we know more about acting, it will be better if we know what is acting. Okay, acting is an actor's performance through gesture, facial expression, and the emotion when portraying a character in front of the audience. So, acting is not an ordinary behavior that everyone does in everyday life, but that is a treatment convincingly done by the actor to convince others if there is someone else or according to the needs of the play. The main goal of acting skill is for an actor to create a character convincingly. Like I explained before, an actor must have the confidence to convince and make the audience believe what the actor doing is real. Okay, the next is types of acting. I only pick two general examples of types of acting. There are theater and film. Okay, the first is acting in theater aims to express and describe a typical behavior or character with movement, dance, or sing. Okay, theater is one of the art of role-playing that presents a story on the stage. The storyline usually contains embed a moral message and can be used to a moral lesson for the audience. Okay, the next one is acting in film. In the film, acting is one of the production tools whose present is present according to need. So, in film, actors acting is recorded and then edited to facilitate the image language to be achieved. Okay, now that we know about the general view of acting, systematic preparation is necessary to achieve a high level of acting. The acting preparation process for film and theater is almost the same, starting from reading the script, analyzing the character, and memorizing the dialogue, where actor will be given a script that has been made to be a stage, then they read all and understand the meaning in it as well as the character will be performed. So, good skill is an actor main skill. We move on to stage of acting. Okay, there are three stages of acting. The first is vocal, the second is emotion, and the third is body work. Okay, the first is vocal. Voice training for actors to produce clear, loud, varied, and expressive voice that effectively convey message for the audience. In vocal training, there are 5 exercises. The first is breathing exercise to regulate airflow. In breathing exercise, you can use 3 types of acting. The first abdominal, the second is chest, and the last is diaphragm. The second exercise is articulation exercise for precise pronunciation. For example, A, I, U, E, O. The third is intonation exercise for meaningful tone variation. For example, I don't like you, I don't like you, I don't like you, I don't like you, I don't like you. The next is modulation exercise for adapting volume, rhythm, tempo, and tone to emotion. So, in modulation, we can use our emotion to express the sentence or the character. For example, I don't like you. I don't like you with the tempo and rhythm. And the last is interpretation exercise for infusing spoken word with a meaning and feeling. Okay, the example may be same with the earlier. Like in modulation exercise, in interpretation exercise, we use our feeling with the meaning for the convey a message. Okay, the next exercise is feeling. In acting, feeling is a crucial for the convey a message or build a character. So, emotion management is the practice of releasing and controlling emotion in accordance with the character of the role and the situation of the play. To achieve this, actors employ a various exercise such as memory recall, imagination, identification, and expression training. This exercise can help actors tap into personal experiences and vision evocative situations, emphasize with character, and effectively convey emotion through facial expression, voice, and gesture. By mastering these techniques, actors can deliver a powerful performance that resonates with the audience and evoke a range of emotion. Okay, the next is body movement. Gestures and flexibility of body movement must be possessed by an actor and actress doing stage acting. Bodywork is a crucial aspect of acting training, involve mastering body movements appropriate to a character and the pace of situation. This training encompasses balance, flexibility, strength, coordination, precision, and expressions, while enhancing a stamina, concentration, and creativity. Bodywork includes imitation, relaxation, improvisation, characterization, and isolation, allowing actors to release body tension, control body part, mimic movement, create spontaneously, and adapt their physically to their roles. So, bodywork is training to master body movements that are appropriate to the character of the role and the situation of the play. Okay, next is blocking. Gesture and flexibility of body movement must be possessed by an actor and actress doing stage acting. So actors must be able to be in every space situations. This stage is done by the actor by understanding the meaning of dialogue one by one. Okay, this is an example of the acting stage. For the first is reading the script, and there is a vocal exercise by the long distance, and there is a blocking and also body movement, and there are also body work. Okay, we can move on to the last material in this topic. There are artistic. In addition to skills, artistic hard work are required in acting. Artistic and acting is two things can be separated because they are interdependent. Okay, artistic include makeup, costume, lighting, staging, and music. Okay, the first in artistic, there are makeup and costume. Makeup is art changing the appearance of the face to portray a character. Makeup serves as a versatile tool for actor to embody various characters through visual transformation. It not only enhances facial features, but also plays a crucial role in characterization, highlighting the expressions, and creating dramatic impact. Okay, costume, the art of clothing and all the accompanying outfitting to portray a character. Costume contributes significantly to the overall performance, ensuring a conveying and captivating portrayal of the character. Okay, the next, in artistic, there are lighting. Lighting on stage is more than just illumination. It becomes a visual bride that connects the director, the actor, and the audience, and to make the atmosphere of the play. Through lighting, objects on the stage become more vivid and communicative, allowing the director to create imaginative illusions. Lighting basically has four functions. The first is providing illumination, the second is creating dimension, the third is making selection, and the last is setting the mood. Okay, in the next, there are staging. Stage design, also known as scenery, is an important element in a performance that serves to realize the setting of the drama scene. More than just decoration, stage design includes the arrangement of all furniture and equipment that will be used by the actors. Okay, the last in artistic there are music, a musical arrangement that accompanies the performance to emphasize the atmosphere of the play and to accompany the alternation of acts and scenes. Musical director plays a role in creating a certain atmosphere and emphasizing key moments in the performance, such as scene change. Okay, this is the last. The conclusion of my topic is the first. From the topic we discussed earlier, we can find out that in acting, the most important thing is to convince the audience that the action performed by the actor are real. The second, actors achieve this by reading the script, interpreting the character, and practicing their vocals, body movements, and feelings. And the last, in addition to acting, there are other important aspects of a performance, such as staging, lighting, musical, makeup, and costume. Okay, that's all from me. Okay, there is my references. And my quote is nothing impossible because the word itself says I'm possible. Okay, that's all for me. If there are any mistake, please apologize. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.